Hello FunXies, welcome back to my channel. So today it's another handmade doll video. So over here basically I'm just gonna make the handmade head, and the body is of a Barbie doll which I made. It's a foldable Barbie doll, so it's very easy. So right now, as you can see, I've taken this sponge. It's foam kind of thing and you can get it anywhere easily. So now what I'll do is that I'll just use some white glue and some talcum powder, as you can see, and I'll make a talcum paste out of it. So you just have to use some white glue and then some talcum powder and just mix it with something. Now I'll just use a little bit of water and mix it well. So now once this is what I get, over here I'll just put some glue again on the sponge. And then I'll start applying this talcum clay. So for those of you who ask me if you can't make paper clay at home, you can use this trick as well. It will do the same thing and it gets dried very fast and without any oven and all. So it's very easy, you can do that. Once it's done, as you can see, I'm just using my fingers and I'm just very nicely blending it. So now once the face is done, I'll also put some clay for the ears. Now I'll just use my tools and just make a little nose. So now it's dried. As you can see, this is what my doll head looks right now. Now I'll just take some sandpaper and brush off the edge. So I'll just use this and brush it off and make the edges smooth. So once that is done, I'll start painting it and I'll use the same color as the body. Now again I'll start making the facial expressions.
When no one knows how it feels between disasters, it comes and goes. The life of dreams is moving faster, and no one knows.
So now guys, let's start making the dress. So of course I'm gonna make her as Jenny from Blackpink, Kim Jenny. And I got so many requests to make this because I already made Lisa from Blackpink and also Jungkook from BTS. So it was really requested, highly requested video for me. So I decided that today is the day that I'm gonna make it. So over here I'm going for a very special look from her song called How You Like That, and it is very easy too. So over here what I'm gonna do is that I'm taking this fabric which matches her dress and I'll just make a short. So after making her wear this short, now what I'll do is that I'll cover it with just glue and then I'll just start applying glitter. So guys, she has a multicolored kind of short and that's what I'm gonna do over here with my glitters. guys, I'll also take the same fabric strip and I'll cover this as well with some glitter.
How it feels between disasters. It comes and
Now
goes.
once all of these gets dried, I'll just cut out the edges into fringes. And one side will be like that. And now what I'll do is that I'll just pull it out. Now guys, I'll cut it from middle and I'll apply this to the both legs over here. So now just to make her off the shoulder kind of short denim jacket. Now what I'll do is that I'll take a denim fabric over here and I'll start making the jacket. So guys, as you can see, these are the cutouts and it's very easy to make over here. Once again, I'm saying that because this look is very famous as well and yet very easy to make.
The life of dreams is moving faster, and no one knows the constant fear of what comes after. And we'll never know.
Now guys, after sticking all those pieces together, now what I'll do is that I'll cut another part over here and then fold it. Now I'll just put some glue and fold it from the middle. So now that is done, what I'll do is that I'll just take the jacket and put it over here. So this will be the collar. So now once the detailings are added to this jacket, now what I'll do is that over here I'll just put some more fabric.
When no one knows how it feels between disasters. It comes and goes. The life of dreams is moving faster, and no one knows the constant fear of what comes after.
Now I'll just add some rhinestones over here onto the jacket for the buttons. And then I'll just use some white paint and paint out the very nicely made detailings.
Let's run away.
So now guys, as you can see, this is the cropped denim jacket which she's gonna wear. Now guys, I'll just let her wear it, and once that is done, one side will be off the shoulder.
We're falling.
Now what I'll do is that it is also a fabric strand which is hanging from one side, so I'll just use the same denim fabric and make that as well.
The life of dreams.
So now I'll tie a knot from the back side and just let it hang it down. Now guys, the most important part is the hairs. So of course she has a very unique hair in this video. So she has long black curly hairs and just the front sides will be white strands of hair. So that is kind of unique. So over here I'm going for this black hair and I'm using silk thread over here. So now as you can see, this is what I get. one side will be short and the other one will be very long, so it will just turn into a ponytail. So now once this is done, as you can see, I'll just put some glue over here on the smaller side and just use my fingers to blend it out perfectly. After cutting and trimming the edges, I'll just put some aluminium foil onto the head and just put some glue and just make her wear this. Now I'll also put some glue over here and then I'll start painting it white. So now guys, sorry for this part because my camera decided to go blur over here and out of focus, so please just ignore that. Now what I'll do is that I'll take this white silk thread and also I'll just take a very tiny piece of it, and once this is done, as you can see, I'll just stick this hair strand in the front over here, which I glued the place. So I'll just take this part and then just trim out. So guys, over here I'll just use some glue and twist it out so that it gets curled. So this is a very easy way to just curl out the strands if you don't have mini straightener at home. So yeah, once that is done and the glue is on the edge of getting dried, you can use a very tiny brush and just roll out the strands and it will give you a very nice curl. Now I'll take another piece of white strand and just put it down on one side of the ponytail. So now let's make a very beautiful knee-length white boots. So again, I'm using this white fabric and I'm making the boots over here. So now once I've stuck this and made her wear the shoes, I'll also put some silver glitter dust over here. So now I'll just make her wear the accessories with some tiny chains and ta-da! So guys, this was it. This was Kim Jenny from Blackpink. I hope you like this video. Till next time, bye bye.